बहुत मसरूफ़ रहते थे, हवाओं पर हुकूमत थी, तकब्बुर था कि ताकत थी, बला की बादशाही थी। कोई बेफ़िक्र बैठा था, किसी के हाथ हुकूमत थी, सभी मसरूफ़ थे ऐसे कि एक हस्ती भुला बैठे। बहुत परवाज़ कर बैठे, खुदा नाराज़ कर बैठे। अब उसने मुँह जो फेरा है, फ़कत वहशत का डेरा है कि दुनिया की हर एक बस्ती भयानक मौत चेहरा है। खुदा मुँह फेर बैठा है, अब उसका घर भी खाली है। कहत दुनिया पे तारी है, अभी भी वक्त है लोगों, खुदा से गिड़गिड़ा कर तुम अभी तौबा करो लोगों। वो जल्दी मान जाता है, वो अब भी तुमको चाहता है। कहीं गर देर हो जाए, ज़मीं सारी पलट जाए, अभी भी वक्त है लोगों, खुदा राज़ी करो लोगों। वो जल्दी मान जाता है, वो अब भी तुमको चाहता है। बस अपने अपने सभी कामों में ही लगे थे, जिसको न भूलना था भूल उसको भी गए थे। जो कहते थे कभी भी काम से हमको नहीं फुर्सत, बेचैन वो भी हो रहे हैं कुछ करने जाने के लिए। कल तक थे जो परेशान अपने घर में रहने के लिए, आज वो बेचैन हैं बाहर जाने के लिए। ये कैसी मुश्किल आ पड़ी या रब हमारे दरमियाँ, हर फर्द है परेशान बाहर निकलने के लिए। कुछ तो किया है बढ़ गई हैं दूरियां जो इस कदर, कुछ तो किया है बढ़ गई हैं दूरियां जो इस कदर। कोई नहीं जाता किसी का हाल लेने के लिए, कुर्सी मिली इतरा गए कहते थे हमसा कौन है। कुर्सी मिली इतरा गए कहते थे हमसा कौन है। उनसे कह दो कोई आता नहीं यूं ही हमेशा के लिए, उनसे कह दो कि फिर आता नहीं एक बार गया जो कहते थे किसी की मौत पर उसको भुलाने के लिए। और बड़ा गुरूर था उनको भी एक तुम्हारी तरह ही, बड़ा गुरूर था उनको भी अब तुम्हारी तरह ही। फिर यूं हुआ कोई आया नहीं आवाज़ देने के लिए। मुझे तो डर है कहीं मिट न जाए दुनिया ही इस बार। मुझे तो डर है कहीं मिट न जाए दुनिया ही इस बार। कोई जा ही नहीं रहा किसी को कांधा देने के लिए। ऐ बंदे रब कर लो तौबा अपने खुदाए पाक से, वरना हो जाओ तैयार तुम भी जल्दी जाने के लिए।
Hello everyone, myself Alisha Fatima, student of BPT first year from Era University. Hereby, I am making this video to encourage the COVID ICU physios. Without thinking once about their own life, they all have done such a great and appreciable work for mankind and set a goal of humanity by saving life of people in need. We are so proud of you people for showing the dominance of physiotherapy in life-saving technology. This is such a hard task for you people and we cannot even think about the difficulty you all are facing. Working in PPE kits for 8 hours is not an easy task, especially in this weather condition. But for the sake of humanity, you all have done a great job and I salute you people for your hard work and dedication. Rehan sir, Ashish sir, Maas sir, Nida ma'am, Hema ma'am, Sara ma'am and Ahsan sir. You all have changed the face of physiotherapy on a large canvas. You have shown others the need and value of physiotherapy in emergency to save life.
आप सभी कोरोना योद्धाओं को हमारा दिल से सलाम है और आप लोगों ने जिस मेहनत लगन से दिन रात एक करके पीपीई किट पहन के और जिस तरह से अपने काम को अंजाम दिया है उसके लिए हमारा दिल से सलाम है। और हम ही नहीं पूरे देशवासी आपके लिए खड़े हैं और इस मेहनत और लगन के लिए मैं 2 लाइनें आप लोगों के लिए बोलना चाहती हूँ। देखते हैं जिंदगी हमें कब तक भटकाएगी, किसी दिन तो ये कोशिशें हमारी रंग लाएंगी और उस रोज हम आराम से बैठेंगे अपने कमरे में और कामयाबी बाहर दरवाज़ा खटखटाएगी, और कामयाबी ज़रूर दरवाज़ा खटखटाएगी, क्योंकि आपकी मेहनत ज़रूर रंग लाएगी। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you for all you do. You are the real heroes of our department as well for the society. We value every single effort to save every single life. Love you all.
Good evening, everyone, and all the frontline workers present over there. I'm Kaina Azadi from BPT second semester at our university. So grateful for the work that healthcare professionals are doing right now. Especially huge respect for you guys. Ehsan sir, Mas sir, Rehan sir, Nida ma'am, Sara ma'am, Hema ma'am. I just want to send a shout out for you guys. Thank you for the incredible sacrifice and the effort that you all are making. You guys are definitely a real heroes.
This is Ananya Pandey from BPT first year. Respected sir and ma'am, we are proud of you. You people are doing such a great job. You guys are taking so much trouble for us. You all have shown the superiority of physiotherapy in life saving. You all are an inspiration and hero to everyone. Thank you so much for your support, for your selfless deeds, incredible actions and sacrifices you all have made to help everyone. We can't even imagine how much pressure you people are feeling, how much difficulties you people are facing. I appreciate that you people are risking your life and health to care everyone. 8 hours straight in PPE kit without food and water and facing too much sweating from body is appreciational. Hats off to you guys for this wonderful work and dedication. Rehan sir, Mas sir, Ashish sir, Nida ma'am, Hema ma'am, Sara ma'am and Ishan sir, you guys are such a real heroes. You all have changed the profile of physiotherapy on the large canvas. You people have shown the need of physiotherapy, the importance of physiotherapy and the value of physiotherapy in worldwide pandemic and in emergency to save lives. Thank you so much, and once again, hats off to you guys.
Hello, myself Komal, student of BPT second semester. I appreciate all the physios as you all are doing such a great job. Rehan sir, Nida ma'am, Sara ma'am, Hema ma'am, Ashish sir, Mas sir and Ehsas sir. Your commitment towards the excellence is inspiring everyone. We all are proud of you and I salute you for your hard work and determination. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna Singh from BPT second semester. I would like to thank Sara ma'am, Hema ma'am, Nida ma'am, Rehan sir, Ashish sir, Ehsan sir for their wonderful work. You guys are really doing great out there, working in those PPE kits for straight 8 hours without eating and drinking. You guys are literally raising the bar for all of us, making physiotherapy proud. Thank you so much.
Greetings to my respected seniors and all the frontline workers. I am Heba Parvez, BPT first year, Ella University. I am here to pay my respects to Mas sir, Ehsan sir, Rehan sir, Ashish sir, Sara ma'am, Hema ma'am and Nida ma'am. Thank you so much for your support and hard work during this difficult time. Your humility, strength and kindness are greatly appreciated. Thank you for being our nation's guiding light in the face of this adversity.
Hello everyone, myself Subham Rai, student of BPT, second semester, Era University. I am here to say thank you to all the frontline workers of my college and show my respect to all my seniors, juniors who know working in frontline as Corona warriors. I am here to encourage team physio in COVID, ICU and HDU. Rehan sir, Ashish sir, Mas sir, Nida ma'am, Sara ma'am, Hema ma'am, Ehsan sir, you all are doing wonderful job. I want to clap for you all and giving a standing ovation. You people are really heroes.
Myself Hariom Tiwari from BPT second semester. Dear sir, ma'am, we are proud of you. You people have shown the dominance of physiotherapy in life-saving tech. You people are doing such a hard task that we cannot even think of the difficulty level you people are facing. 8 hours in PPE without food and water is appreciational. I salute you people for this hard work and dedication. Rehan sir, Maaz sir, Ashish sir, Nida ma'am, Hema ma'am, Sara ma'am, you all people have changed the face of physiotherapy on the large canvas. You have shown others the value and need of physiotherapy in emergency to save a life. Applaud.
Greetings to all. This is Kainat Zahra from ERA University of BPT second semester. I am highly obliged for getting this opportunity to thank all the COVID warriors who are serving us day and night without even thinking about their loved ones. I would like to specially thank Rehan sir, Maaz sir, Ashish sir, Sara ma'am, Nida ma'am and Ihsan sir and all the other warriors present behind it. And I would like to tell them that they have literally made us proud, and they have also motivated us that we aren't less than anyone, and when it comes for serving nation, yes, we are all set to do it. Thank you.
Dear sir and ma'am, this is Nigar Parveen from BPT 4th semester. I want to thank all the physio of ERA University. We are really very proud of you all, as you people have changed the mentality of the people who used to think that physiotherapy is all about hitting and massaging signs, but that's not at all true. You people have shown the importance, dominance, need and value of physiotherapy in life-saving technology to the entire world. You people are doing really a very tough job. Wearing that PPE kit for an hour without bothering about the food and water is really very appreciable. Thank you Rehan sir, Nida ma'am, Hema ma'am, Sara ma'am, Ashish sir, Maaz sir for your dedication and hard work. Thank you, and last I and my sister want to give you all a standing ovation. Come.
Myself Afia Azim from BPT 4th semester. I am here with my family to show the appreciation to Physio COVID warrior Rehan sir, Maaz sir, Ashish sir, Ihsan sir, Hema ma'am, Nida ma'am and Sara ma'am. We are proud of you and salute your dedication and hard work in this pandemic situation. आप लोगों ने इन लाइन को साबित किया है, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती,
कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
आप लोग आने वाले फिजियोस के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन रहेंगे। थैंक यू एंड बिग अप्लॉज फॉर यू।
Hello everyone, this is Akshita Srivastava from ERA University and would like to dedicate this special video to all the COVID warriors present out there who are working so hard just for us to ensure a better life. I would like to say, dear sir and ma'am, we are so proud of you that you have taken physiotherapy to a whole new level and inspired us to get moving again. If I have to describe it in words, all the hardships that you are enduring, I don't think I would be able to do. 8-8 घंटे उस पीपी सूट में काम करना, वो भी बिना खाए पिए, इट्स आउटस्टैंडिंग। ऊपर से आप अपनी नीड्स को सेकेंडरी रखकर दूसरों के बारे में सोच रहे हो, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज और ड्यूटीज़ को अपने से ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दे रहे हो। नॉट एवरीवन हैज़ द करेज टू डू दैट, बट यू आर जस्ट outstanding, and I just want to salute to all the people out there, especially Rehan sir, Ashish sir, Maaz sir, Nida ma'am, Sara ma'am, Hema ma'am and Ihsan sir. You people have shown the need and importance of physiotherapy in emergency, how to save a life. We are so proud of you.
Everyone, myself Shruti Tupe and I am student of Bachelor's of Physiotherapy second year, and I am here to encourage the physios working in ICU during this difficult situation. So I would like to thank Rehan sir, Ihsan sir, Maaz sir, Nida ma'am, Sara ma'am and Hema ma'am. I would like to thank you for stepping in and saving the day. We are very glad to have you and thank you for your dedication and hard work. Keep working like this. Best wishes to you.
Hello, myself Abdul Yas from BPT 4th semester. I am here to appreciate the great work of our physios. Respected Rehan sir, Ashish sir, Maaz sir, Ihsan sir, Nida ma'am, Sara ma'am and Hema ma'am. You have proved the value of physiotherapists. Many medical professionals are involved in this COVID care, but you people are treating mostly in manual contacts with the infected ones, motivating them and supporting them by standing and holding their hands firmly. We can't even think of the difficulty level you people are facing. For this courage, You all really deserve a salute and a standing ovation.
Hello everyone, this is Sarah from the Department of Physiotherapy, 4th semester, Era University. Okay, so I was asked to say a few words to encourage all our PTs who are working in ICU currently, and that made me think of all the things that I want to say. But I don't think that I can ever thank them enough for all they are doing right now. क्योंकि 8 घंटों के लिए कंटिन्यूसली PPE किट्स पहनना, अपने आप को हर रोज रिस्क पर डाल करके पेशेंट्स के साथ डायरेक्ट मैनुअल कांटेक्ट करना, अपनी भूख को मार करके पेशेंट्स की पोजीशनिंग करवाना, पसीने में लथपथ होने के बावजूद भी काम करते रहना, फेस शील्ड्स और फेस मास्क की वजह से इनके चेहरे पे निशान आ जाते हैं लेकिन फिर भी इनका काम नहीं रुकता। इनका मुहर्रम इस बार गांव में नहीं ICU में बीत रहा है। तो क्या आप या हम कभी भी इनको इनके सैक्रिफाइसेस और हार्डवर्क के लिए इनफ रीपे कर पाएंगे? मुझे नहीं लगता। लेकिन हम लोग जो कर सकते हैं वो है उनकी हौसला अफजाई। इसीलिए डॉक्टर रेहान, डॉक्टर आशीष, डॉक्टर मास, एहसान सर, हेमा मैम, निदा मैम एंड सारा मैम, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all the hard work that you have put into this. We support you and we pray for you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Samiksha Bajpai from BPT second year, and this video is for all the corona warriors of our department. Rehan sir, Ashish sir, Ehsan sir, Mas sir, Nida ma'am, Sara ma'am and Hima ma'am. You all are doing wonderful and fabulous job, and you deserve so much of respect for this. Stay safe and keep serving our society like this. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. This is me Aruj Zahra, student of BPT third year. I want to say that I'm really proud of you all. I'm really proud of all my seniors, my teachers over there. You people are doing a very brilliant job. All the physios there. आप लोगों ने फिजियो का नाम ही बदल दिया, फिजियो की जो इमेज थी वो सब चेंज कर दी. As you people are dealing with the stage 3 of COVID-19 pandemic, and physio has become the so important part of the COVID-19 treatment. आप सब वहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छा जॉब कर रहे हैं. आप लोग डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट पेशेंट के साथ कर रहे हैं. अगर आप हम एक फिजिशियन की भी बात करें, वो भी एक कांटेक्ट एक पैनल के थ्रू करता है, लेकिन यू पीपल आर स्पेंडिंग अ डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट विद द पेशेंट्स, डूइंग एक्सरसाइज एंड लॉट ऑफ स्टफ्स. आपके लिए जो ICU का केयर है, लाइक आई थिंक फिजियोज ही इस टाइम सब मतलब एवरीबडी इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन यू पीपल देयर. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट यू ऑल. I want to say that I salute Nida ma'am, Rehan sir, Hema ma'am, Ehsan sir, Ashish sir, Maz sir, Sara. You people are doing a very brilliant job. आपकी वजह से हम सब लोग appreciate हो, मतलब हम we people are like, हम लोग भी encourage हो गए कि हमें भी आगे आना चाहिए और हमें भी ये काम करना चाहिए. और spending hours in a PP kit is a very tough situation. Like normal people can't spend such 8 घंटा without food and water PP में रहना. I really salute you people. Heads off to you people.
Hello sir and ma'am, I'm here to appreciate the COVID-19 warriors who are working day and night without thinking about their health and fear of infection. All they want is to save the human life. Dr. Rehan, Dr. Nida, Dr. Hema, Dr. Ehsan, Dr. Ashish, Dr. Maz and Sara. You all are the real heroes who are saving the humankind. You all show the real face and importance of physiotherapy in emergency and for the safeguard of human life. You all are working the best in your field to present the real importance of physiotherapy in front of everyone. I appreciate your dedication, your motivation, your courage and your hard work during this pandemic for the safeguard of humankind. I salute your courage and your hard work. Hats off to you people.
Hello, myself Ashish Trivedi, student of BPT 4th year. I am posting this video to show my thanks, my respect to all of you work in COVID, ICU and SDU. You are doing best part of physiotherapy in this worldwide medical emergency. 8 to 9 hours in PPE kit, no food, no water throughout duty is really very hard when to imagine. You are inspiration for us all of upcoming generation of physio. I might pay my regards of Rehan sir, Ashish sir, Hasan sir, Miraz sir and Emma ma'am.